Okay, welcome back. Sorry, it's just because I'm going on to a different website. So, as we have talked about, we're going to be using our body cushion. So make sure you've got lots of space so that you can move around and use your body appropriately and in a controlled manner to try and keep to a steady beat. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share a piece of music and we are going to try to stay in a steady beat. Now it's a bit different because normally in music we would be stood in a circle and we would be copying each other's actions and we would be doing our music in that way. But today we're going to just be doing it on our own in our homes or at school if you're at school. And you just need to follow along with the music and myself. Hopefully you can see me in the bottom corner, but let's have a listen. And here are our different actions. You have a little golf clap, okay? You have a shoulder tap, a knee tap, and a shrug. Now, the first time we do this music, we're only going to do the first 3 actions. Then the second time, I'm going to do a shoulder shrug, and then maybe the other 2 times I'm going to choose different actions and you can follow along. So let's listen, but remember we're trying to keep to a steady beat. So we're not going quicker and we're not going slower. We're just trying to keep the same no matter what action we do. Okay, let's have a listen. So after the alarm, we start our action. Okay, did you manage to keep that steady beat or did you speed up or slow down? It's very tempting to speed up with the music as we get more tired or as the music gets on because we lose our concentration. So what I was doing was I was actually counting to 8 every time. I was going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wonder if you can do that. Maybe you could shout it at the television or the computer or whatever you're using, or you can do it in your head. Now I'm going to try and do it in my head again. But let's get started. Any did you manage to keep up with that steady beat? Okay, and did you change your actions? I'd love to hear all the different actions. So to start with, Okay, here is what you're going to do. We're going to listen to the music, and here are some different actions that you can do. Okay, now we'll just have a look and listen to the music.
Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So every time
Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So when you're counting, that is what you're going to count. Okay, so now we're
Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never...
Okay, now we're going to use the raindrops here to try and help us to count along to 8. Okay, so it tells you count the raindrops on his head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and it changes the different actions, but make sure you're listening so you know which action.
Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, well done for completing that. Okay, we're now going to listen to a different piece of music. And this music is called the Chinese dance. Now, what I want you to do is keep to that steady beat, and I would use the counting to 8 to try and help you. Okay, to start with, we're just going to pat our knees, maybe our hands. I think most of the time we're going to pat our knees. Now, the gentleman, I think, or the lady, I'm not sure, counts along to start with. Now, I want you to try and carry on counting on your own towards the end. Okay, and let's have a go at it, shall we? And listen.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, now we have done that. I want you to go back, listen to that music again. You can see that I'll still be doing the actions, but go back, watch it again, see if you can do different actions. That's your first challenge. And your second challenge is to see if the music gets faster or slower, but also to see what happens to the beat. Does the beat stay the same, or does the beat get faster as the music gets faster? I want you to have a look at those two things, okay? And that concludes your music lesson today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we will see you